right, back at it. First PA number 1, Aussie CAD on the 15 minutes. Let's get into it. We'll just jump right in. The first part was I took a sell right before some news, and it spiked me out for one full R, 2%. I traded 2% on this, and then as it spiked back in, it started to range, and I was looking at this like maybe this is a money spot, which I'll get an analysis in a minute. It's not, it's just a range after a probe. Could go up, could go down. It's not telling me anything, and I decided it was going to go down. Eventually it did after some, in the next Asia session, had some New Zealand PMI news, which rocketed it down. The flow was down in the 15 minutes. And I'll start the read. So we were making new lows, breaking through. We got down to here. We made a new low, but we didn't. So that's our zone. This is the guy who started all that good stuff. We're pulling back. Tried to go, couldn't. So we're going to go back for a better price. Set 1, set 2. We come back up. And I was looking at this as, so we never actually got our better price because this was the price. So we never got our better price until this news. Let me get out an annotator real quick. Zoom in a little. There we go. So this, we spiked out right here, right before the news and started to turn around. I said, okay, that's it. So I jumped in and got in right about here. Stops just above, tight stops above that spike, and we're going to go down to the low here, 2%, and the news came in, which I know better than the trade right before, some big news, and it was initial jobless claims and PPI USD news, so that's pretty big news, so I knew better than the trade before that, but I did it anyways, and that's what it did. It needed its better price. It got it. It spiked back in. That's what also got me back in on this sell after the spread put me about right here, and then closed at break even after it wasn't doing anything. I just couldn't take it any longer. And it really wasn't a money spot. If this would have came in and gotten lower and then reacted from this guy who started the last memory, did some ranging, okay, great, maybe a little probe and come back in, that would have been perfect entry, but it didn't. So I was kind of looking at this like, what is this? It's just ranging. So I closed it for break even. So total was 2% loss, 1 R. Yeah, so some things to work on is don't trade right before the news thinking it's going to leave without me. Got to get rid of that FOMO. And if anybody sees anything else that would be helpful on this, I am open for suggestions. Normally I trade Asia. I don't know that I would have caught this, but yeah, those are one of those moves. Like, man, if I would have got in on that. But all right, that's my PA number 1. Like I said, feedback is welcome. So let's do it. Don't hold back. Ready for change. So